Children, try this for your origami activity. This week I am posting origami activity. This is an envelope in origami. How to make an envelope simple with design. Okay. Take this first complete square sheet ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಫಸ್ಟು. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ನರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಲೀಫ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎನ್ವೆಲಪ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಫೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ನ ತುಂಬ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಫೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡೀಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೀಟ್ಲಿ. Can you try this envelope in origami at home? Everyone must do one origami envelope like this. This is very useful to your activity, academics. Anything can be presented in this way, this manner. Please try at home with no cutter, no scissor, no gum, no paste, only in one sheet, one rectangle sheet, one A4 sheet type of one color sheet you have to take, or you can do in white sheet also and can design your own, but take a full sheet, A4 sheet, to prepare a origami envelope. See, even this kind of envelope also you can do. Simple envelope with your pocket. Try to fold and make your own envelope, designed envelope. You can gift, you can greeting, or anything can be given in this manner. The lock, pocket lock also you can make in the design. Okay, please observe carefully what is the fold to fold. Watch again and again, and you can prepare this pocket calendar. Okay, you learn in this video. Learn here one more type of origami activity which you can do very easy and best easy way. If it is possible, you do this heart shape. How to prepare a heart in a square paper? Take square paper. You have to use square origami craft papers to make a heart shaped garland to decorate. So you got the heart shape. You can just watch once again this video to observe the folding for making heart. If you learn this heart, origami heart, you can utilize this design and garland for any decoration or birthday decoration, party at home, or any get together at home, family functions. You can use your own decoration without taking the ready-made decoration items. Okay, see how beautiful it's looking, heart, just in simple square paper. Observe the foldings, observe foldings, how it is to be folded. Okay, if you do all the small at home, it will be very good that you are creating your own things. Everyone can do this origami heart garland. Make a garland, make a one, see, more than 10 in different color. We can observe in origami how to prepare a geometrical pyramid. Learn in paper how to prepare a pyramid or geometrical pyramid in origami paper with easy way. Very minute, you have to observe how to fold origami paper. You have to carefully observe how to fold origami paper. See how the measurement it is showing. Okay, take this like crepe paper. You will get the crepe paper like this from shop. You buy like this paper and prepare the pyramid in geometrical shape.